Alright, we're here on the side of Big Tom actually, and there's a plane crash down here. We're gonna walk down, check it out. And here it is. See right down here, the wreckage. Not too many people actually know this exists. Here it is. There, it's actually left a part of the cockpit. There's a tail. And there's pieces back there. And the debris field actually lasts longer. So anyway, we're showing this to the kids on our hike. And there's actually what's left of the fuselage. So that'd be the front of the plane. Hey Wyatt, look. See, that is actually where the cockpit was at. Right there. And this is the fuselage of the plane. Tail's totally broke off. And it's over here, of course. Yeah, that's the tail. That's the tail.
Cool. Make it my outfit. Hey, let's look on this one. Wow.
So anyway, this is it, and it's actually pretty somber. A couple people died here. This was actually like a ambulance. It was a medical transport plane. So anyway, I actually talked with the former ranger up here, head ranger, Ranger Bradley, and he kind of gave me some info on it. But anyway, that's it.
Dude, this thing right here from those sections we've been here. Wow.
Yeah. I know. It's been all destroyed with Don't do that. Thing's over 100 years old.
100 years old, not quite.